Jai to one and all, I am Samir. I am standing in front of you to recite today's pledge. Pledge with me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperities alone lies my happiness. Thank you, Jai.
Science is all about making the impossible to possible. For this, we need to dive into mysteries of how the world works. Get ready to spark our curiosity experiments and have fun learning new things together. As a part of this, now we will explore how work is done in practical scenarios and how energy is transformed through focuses concept into action. To perform in a skit, here are Ashwin and his team from grade 9D and 9E.
Jai to one and all, I cadet Y Ashwin.
I cadet K Sashidhar. I cadet B Ratesh Sai.
I cadet D Saran Karthik.
From grade 9D and 9E, here to show a small skit on how to define work, defining the work with a live example from grade 9 physics textbook. Let's start. Here, the scene starts from a traveler who is at the railway station.
Oh, what a nice day. I'm so tired. I can't able to carry my luggage. I need a help. Hey Guli, come here.
Yes, sir.
Can you carry my luggage inside the railway station? How much you will take?
50 rupees, sir. 50 rupees.
Okay, carry and follow me. Hey Guli, you are so slow. Come faster.
They enter the railway station. Here, any one of you can tell the definition of what is work? Any one of you? Okay, I will tell. Work is nothing but it's the product of force and displacement. Continue.
My train is 10 minutes delay. Guli, my train is 10 minutes delay.
అయితే ఇప్పుడు నేను చేయాలి సార్.
Carry my luggage until my train comes.
నా వల్ల కాదు సార్. ఎంత ఉంది ఇది? నాకంటే పెద్ద కింద పెట్టేస్తాను నా వల్ల కాదు.
No. My suitcase is very costly. Floor is very dirty. Don't keep down. Carry until my train comes.
తగ్గేదే.
My train has arrived. Hey Guli, go and keep inside my train.
అమ్మయ్య అమ్మ వాసు కూర్చొని.
Thank you.
సార్ 50 రూపాయలు సార్ 50 రూపాయలు.
What money? Why I have to give money?
వై హావ్ టు గివ్ మనీ సార్ అది మోసం కదా సార్.
Stood like that only. According to physics, it is not a work. I will not give you money.
నేను కూల్ ఆన్ సార్. నాకు ఫిజిక్స్ కెమిస్ట్రీ బయాలజీ నాకేం తెలుస్తుంది. నేను మోసం నాకు అది.
Okay, we will ask any educated person. Excuse me, sir.
So, are you calling any problem?
Sir, he carried my luggage inside the railway station, sir. He agreed for 50 rupees. Again, he is asking extra 50, sir. How I get it?
Hey, but why are you asking extra 50 rupees? What's your problem?
నేను ఇది మోసాను సార్. లగేజ్ డబ్బులు ఇవ్వను అంటున్నాడు.
Sir, why are you not paying him, sir, for extra 50 rupees?
Sir, according to physics, it is not a work, sir. Why I have to give money? Sir, as per physics, it is not considered as a work, sir. But as per daily routine, it is considered as a work, sir. Pay him money, sir. Don't do like that. Okay.
Here,
Thank
the
you, sir.
traveler, here the traveler does like this because according to physics, if there is no displacement, it's not considered as work. But according to daily norm, it is considered as work. For example, here we think that if we sit calmly and write notes, we consider it as work. But according to science, it's not considered as work. Let us listen to 3 types of work done from the cadets.
Positive work done. If the force and displacement are parallel, it is considered as positive work done. For example, a man pulling another man in the same direction.
When an object is perpendicular to the surface of the ground without any displacement, it is called as zero work done. Example, coolie weighting luggage without any displacement.
I think you guys are enthusiastic to answer the snippets. For innovative snippets to enlighten our science club, here is Ullas.
J2, I Cadet Biology of grade 90 here to ask some snippets. First snippet. Do you know what is the chemical factory of your body? Keep thinking the answer.
Hey all, get ready to witness the marvelous experiments which enriches your knowledge about the sciences.
Have you concerned about the hardships being faced by you people? Many of us are not aware about adulteration. It is harmful to the people who consume wet milk. To solve this problem, here comes e-edition enrollment to make us aware about adulteration.
Jai Hind and a pleasant morning to the present dignitaries, teachers, coordinators, cadets, coaches, many all who are present here. I Cadet ⴛᴜ
I Cadet E-Edish
will be performing a couple simple activities to show you adulterated milk. So first, let us start. Hi Dish, today I have learned a new useful informative information.
What is that, Ron?
Well, I found out from the doctor that my grandmother is suffering from osteoporosis.
What is osteoporosis?
Well, it is osteoporosis is when the bones in our body become weak and have a higher tendency or they're more prone to fractures.
Are you too old, Rohan?
No, these I'm not too old, but still, to make sure that the bones get stronger, we should drink milk as it's rich in calcium, and it will make sure that we will have a stronger immune system. That's why the doctor has also advised my grandma to drink milk.
Okay, Rohan, I understood the importance of milk. Good morning to one and all. Milk has many essential nutrients such as proteins, vitamins, calcium, and it improves our bone strength, muscle strength, and our immune system.
Hey, Itish, we're not only talking about the uses of milk, we're also talking about the importance of adulteration.
I know what is adult, but what is adulteration, Rohan?
Well, adulteration is when we add toxic or inferior substances into food, the drink or food product that we eat. Well, most sellers adulterate different types of chemicals to make them look more cheaper for making them more long lasting. For example, a milk seller will adulterate milk with starch, baking soda, or even urea to make it look more long lasting or even more preventable. So, we will be doing 3 simple tests to show you the difference between adulterated milk and pure milk. First, take 2 beakers and pour equal amount of milk into each of them. After that, take starch and add it into one of the beakers. The next step is to use a stirrer and mix it up well. As you can see, this is the adulterated milk, while this one is the normal pure milk. Next, in the first beaker, which is the pure milk, you're going to take iodine solution and mix it. As you can see, this milk is pure, so the other iodine solution has retained its original color. While let us see what happens in the second beaker. As you can see, in the second beaker, it is slowly changing into blue color, which means there is a presence of starch in this one. That is why it is changing into blue color. So, starch, if it enters our body, it will cause serious health problems and digestive problems for our body. Now, let's go to test number 2. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is baking soda. Do the same process of adding 2 beakers with milk. Now, these both milk because we're going to add baking soda into one of them. Well, most milkmen use baking soda to make it more long lasting, and it will feel like it will be preserved for a longer time. Use a stirrer to stir it properly. Now take acetic acid, which is vinegar, and pour it into beaker number 1, which is pure milk. As you can see, this is pure milk, so there is no reaction happening in beaker number 1, which is pure milk. Now, let us go on to beaker number 2, which is the adulterated milk. As you can see, as soon as he added vinegar, it starts fizzing, which shows that baking soda is releasing carbon dioxide from the milk. I know that some of you might not have baking soda vinegar in your home, so you can also conduct this activity with a lemon. Now, let us go to our third activity, which is urea, sodium hydrogen carbonate. So, take 2 equal quantities of milk as we have performed in the previous activities. After taking 2 equal milk portions, in one of them add urea. By the way, urea, when it enters our body, there's going to be problems in our kidneys and also in the acid-base proportion. State it properly. This is the one that contains urea. Now, let us continue. Take litmus paper and dip it into the first one. As this is pure milk, there will be no change in the litmus paper and it will remain same. Now, let us check in the one that contains urea. As soon as you dip it, wait a couple seconds and you can see that it has immediately changed its color to blue, which shows that there is indication of base urea present in this solution.
In conclusion, I hope everyone gained some knowledge. With this simple test, we can test our milk, is it pure or not. With this, I conclude. Thank you, Ģeļin.
Thank you for the Vice Principal Sir who has given us such a wonderful opportunity, and also for all the teachers who have helped us perform this activity. Thank you, Ģeļin.
Audience, are you all ready to see the magic? Yes. Children, see here. These are the crystals of copper sulfate. And now I am going to add some water to this. And now to increase its conductivity, I am going to add sulfuric acid. And now let's dissolve it. And now this is a simple circuit which consists of power source and 2 electrodes, anode and cathode. And you can see this stainless steel spoon. Now I am going to change it to the copper spoon. Okay audience, stay tuned. Within few minutes we'll be back. Until then our co-cadets will lead you.
ᴄᴜᴜ, myself, ᴄᴜᴜᴜ, and along with me, here we are going to entertain with you fun with physics. Now, you can see here, I have just a plain bottle filled with the water. Now I am going to say some chanted words to the water will come out of the water bottle. Om Bim Bush. As you can see, the water is coming out of the bottle. It works. My magic words are here working. As you can see here, the water flow is continuous. Now we want to stop this water from getting waste. Now you can see the water has stopped. Here I didn't use any magic or any spell. Now here's the wider roll of the atmosphere. When the straw is pushed down, the water stops, and when the straw comes up, you can see the water flow comes out. As you can see, who doesn't like here popping of the balloons? As you can see here, it's just an ordinary balloon. Now It will not burst when I pierce this needle into it. As you can see, the balloon didn't burst out. Because of here, we use sellotape which holds the balloon in here. As you can see. We hope we have entertained you with some with physics. Thank you.
Jane. Did anyone got answer? Yes, it's correct answer. Third snippet. What does an atom have any color? Think and tell me.
And now the long awaited time has come. Let's check the results. Oh. Children, what do you observe here?
I can observe a copper spoon. But how did it turn from a normal spoon to a copper spoon, Krishna?
That's the magic of Krishna.
Oh, is it? Can you please explain it to me?
Okay, but to be frank, it's not the magic of Krishna. It's the magic of chemistry. I will detail it to you. As you have seen before, I have taken the copper sulfate crystals and I have mixed some water in it. And to increase its conductivity, I have poured few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. And then I have planned out a simple circuit which consists of two electrodes, one positive and one negative. And the electrode which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery is known as the anode, and the electrode which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery is known as cathode. And now, when electricity passes through it, a chemical reaction happens in it, which is known as electrolysis process. And now, when a chemical reaction happens, the copper ions will get separated from the copper sulfate solution and they get deposited over this negative terminal of the battery, which is known as cathode. And you can see here. And Saran, didn't you get it out that what if copper ions will get exhausted?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it, but I have one.
Okay, I will explain to you. Once the copper ions, if they get exhausted in the copper sulfate solution, eventually the copper ions from this copper plate will get mixed up in that, and this process continues. And until and after some time, this stainless steel spoon will get completely converted into the copper spoon.
By seeing all this, we can conclude that electroplating is a process where it is used to change the surface properties of a material, like in the terms of appearance, etc.
Yes, Sharon. Now, here is the solution for your problem. You can just get the rolled gold articles, which is of low cost, and then you can plate it with the golden one. And then it exactly appears like the golden jewelry, and you can wear it, and you won't get humiliated in the party.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you for helping me out.
Okay, with this I can say that being poor is not your mistake, but being unwise is your mistake. Thank you for giving this opportunity, Jay.
Here is another experiment or Manoj done by the physical fire extinguisher.
Jai to all, my name is ⴨ of grade 8. Today I stand before you to tell about a project, fire alarm and fire extinguisher. The aim of this project to protect the house and people from fire accidents. Now I will ask questions. How do you protect any people from fire accidents? Okay. Next question. How do you protect house from fire accidents? Now I will tell, this system will protect house when fire get, okay. This system will protect when fire get, the water will fall on the house and it will protect it. Now, The fire alarm is crucial safety system designed to direct fire at the earliest stage and alert the occupants to time. This project aims to create a cost-effective and efficient fire alarm system using basic components like smoke sensor, buzzer, microcontroller system. The system continues to monitors the environment for smoke or high temperature and actives when a particular fire is detected. Through this project, we explore the principles of fire detection, circuit design and coding, while emphasizing the importance of fire safety in real-life applications. It demonstrates how simple, affordable technology can make a significant impact preventing fire-related hazards. Now, items required: a two-blade starter, a two-blade starter, a battery, motor, a buzzer, a water container, a house, a pipe with a transparent water pipe, a pipe with small holes closed on both sides, a house, electrical wires and matchbox. Now working process. A matchstick is lit and kept near the when the starter's bulb get heated, the buzzer starts and motor functions. The water pumps towards the house. In conclusion, the system will guide the future generations how to save themselves from fire accidents. And thank you, Jai Hind.
For the snippet, here Ullas.
I will repeat the question once again. Does an atom have a color? Yes. The answer is the atom is very smallest particle. It cannot be visible to our naked eyes. So the individual atom is in the color of faint to see. For the snippet, what is the speed of dark? Think the answer.
Chromatography experiment to relieve the color of a leaf. Here comes quarreling team Samir and Harshni.
Jai Hind and a very pleasant morning to respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, coordinators, PETs, instructors and all my dear co-cadets of Veritas Sainik School.
Today, we cadets Harshini,
and Samir
of class 9E, standing before you with enthusiasm to show you how chromatography works.
As this is a Friday, listen to this quote. Friday is a day in which you complete all of your set goals. This is a day to celebrate your accomplishments of the week, said by Byron Pulsifier. Now we'll start our performance, namely the Leaf Chromatography Showdown. Hey there, today we are going to show you something super cool, how plants have different pigments and how they are separated with a process namely chromatography.
Actually, Samir, chromatography is a bit complex. It is not as easy as we think. It is about separating the pigments from leaves like chlorophyll, xanthophyll and keratin. It is about understanding how the plants make their own food.
Relax, Harshini, I figured it out. I've read it and I'll be completing it. Watch my work, my magic. This is a filter paper.
Explain what you did. What you did, that will explain. No.
We smashed and a bunch of mint leaves and some coriander. This is the mixture of acetone and chlorophyll. So this is a live specimen we have already made, and this is what we are about to make.
Actually, using acetone is very too strong for this, I think. In the earlier it was quick and now it is all messed up here.
Oh my God, not resolution.
Now acetone is being used here and later we'll use another chemical and see which one works better.
a while. Until then, stay back and stay tuned.
The chromatography experiments, it will take some time to show and results. Meanwhile, we will do another experiment. Resonance. Resonance is the sound or other vibration produced is an object by a sound or vibration of similar frequency from another object. To carry out an scientific test about this fact, here comes Guru Satvik and Ashik to bring knowledge into about the phenomenon.
Jai to one and all. I Cadet Guru Satvik from grade 7C. Jai Hind to one and all. My name is Ashik from grade 7C. Today we are going to demonstrate resonance method. Before going to this experiment, I want to ask some questions to my co-cadet Ashik. May I audible Mr. Ashik?
Yes, audible Mr. Guru Satvik.
Okay, what is meant by sound?
Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations.
Okay, can you produce the vibrations without vibrating an object?
No, it's not possible at all. I also showed a vibration produce sound by using tuning fork.
What is a tuning fork? And then how it produces the vibrations?
Tuning fork is a sound resonator. It consists two prongs from a U-shaped bar.
Where you observe this tuning fork?
I saw this instrument in hospital when my grandfather was suffering with hear loss.
Okay.
That is it shows that tuning fork to all.
This is tuning fork. It contains two prongs from U-shaped bar. When we produce the vibrations to it, it produces different various kind of vibrations.
Now, I will ask one question. What is resonance?
When an applied frequency is equal to natural frequency, then it produces a high amplitude of sound. It is called resonance. Okay, let's go to the experiment.
Required materials. Volume resonator.
Different kinds of tuning forks.
Rubber clock. Water.
First we want to fill the volume resonator with the water. Now take a tuning fork and vibrate it. The sound is not coming. Again we want to adjust the water level and vibrate the tuning fork once again. Now vibrate the tuning fork. The sound is coming because of the applied frequency of tuning forks. Now we will take another tuning fork for trying it once. As the water frequency is lesser than the amount, the frequency of the other tuning forks gets vibrated. Now we will move to applications.
Applications of resonances. This method is also used in measure the sound in the room temperature.
Another example of resonance. Group of soldiers marching on the field, marching on the bridge, often asked to break their steps because their rhyming marching can set extreme vibrations to the bridge and their natural frequency.
One real-life example. ⴛ Bridge in 1940, November 7 has collapsed due to this erosion. Soldiers were marching on the bridge. The bridge frequency and equal to the frequency of the bridge has been. The scientists was discovered the reason because of this resonance the bridge was collapsed. With this, we conclude our demonstration. Thank you and Jai Hind.
For the fifth snippet, here comes Ullas and Narasimha.
I will repeat the question once again. What is the speed of dark? Yes, it's correct answer. The speed of dark is as same as the speed of light, which is 3 lakhs kilometers per second. Fifth snippet. What is the heaviest organ in your body? Keep thinking the answer.
Now we will see and chromatography results.
In the earlier, we have used acetone and now we'll add ethyl alcohol and see.
See, the pigments didn't do it. Yours did it perfectly. Why didn't mine work?
Because acetone is a way too strong which will be messed up there. But ethyl alcohol is a gentler solvent which will show us all the colors of the pigment clearly.
But the audience cannot view it properly. For this, I call upon Amritesh. Amritesh, do you see green color?
Yes.
Yellow?
Yes.
Orange?
Yes.
How are they present? Levels or at the same?
Levels.
Okay, hence proved.
What did you prove? Repeat.
See, chromatography divides the colors pigments into 3 different parts: carotenes, xanthophyll, chlorophyll.
And chlorophyll will be present at the bottom which will be in the green color, and the xanthophyll rises up with yellow color and the carotene with orange color in the between.
So, as Amritesh has said, we have proved it. But why didn't mine work? Yours separated it perfectly.
As I have told you, acetone is a quicker liquid which will not show us clearly, but ethyl alcohol proves everything with different colors.
Okay. I realized my mistake. This time I'll use ethyl alcohol. See, it has already started.
Yes, ethyl alcohol works better as I have used it in the earlier.
This may take time, but it will come up as this came. So I will tell you some practical applications of chromatography. Chromatography is used in crime scene analysis, such as analyzing the toxicity of blood, analyzing any biological markers in blood. It is also used as a quality marker in food industries. It is also used to disintegrate colors in a color which involves two primary colors. For example, cyan has red and yellow. When both are mixed, cyan rises. To disintegrate it, we use chromatography as such, and we do the same to separate it. See, it has already started.
We hope the audience have understood about our chromatography. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Any doubts you have? Thank you, Jai Hind.
Samir and Harshini, there was a great job. Now we will see the answer of fifth snippet.
I will repeat the question once again. What is the heaviest organ in your body? The answer is skin. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now I request our principal sir and vice principal to address our science club.
Jai Hind, all of you. Though I joined a little late, I could see the experiments. I was knowing the experiments yesterday itself. The idea of this club is to create a kind of enthusiasm about science amongst all the cadets. Okay, I know the weather is very inclement, sun is shining very bright, but the kind of effort that they have put on the stage, you should have that respect for them. You should heed whatever that they say, you should listen to that. The science teachers, they have made a lot of efforts in making the science concepts very simple through the experiments which they have done. May I request all of them to come onto the stage, please. I request the teachers who are there and all the presenters to come onto the stage. Captain, give the NCC club. Well done. Episode by episode, the science club is getting good actually response. Cadets have taken a lot of keen interest. I request the teachers to continue the efforts in the same way. In the further episodes, whatever the future episodes that you are planning, let there be more visible experiments. Like instead of calling Amritesh to see whether the experiment has worked out or not, it should be visible in a bigger way. Please take such experiments. There are a number of experiments available. See that they becomes, and it is not like limited to the lab. Day-to-day items which are available in our surroundings, making use of them. Also we can conduct certain experiments and certain concepts clear. So think on those lines and make it. By and large, the episode is really conducted very well. My compliments to all the cadets who have presented and teachers who have taken a lot of efforts. Well done, Bravo Zulu. Thank you.
Jai Hind, everyone. A good effort from science department, at the same time students, enthusiastic students. So this year we have introduced this science club, and from next year students who are participating in science club, they are going to get badges like a Toastmaster club. So this academic year, I think for every Toastmaster club episode, students who are participating in that, you are getting badges. Same like that from the next academic year. enthusiastic students with good communication. So for all the participants, there will be participation certificates, and as I informed, enthusiastic student who has good communication, everything. So you deserve a badge, so you are going to get it. And for everything there will be a room of improvement. Same like that, in this episode also, there are few corrections where I'll talk to you personally, so that if we can overcome, it looks very fantastic. So nice effort from all the teachers of science department. So students, we have very good team, science team. Not only science, because today is science club, so that we are talking about science department. Every department we have excellent faculty. You need to make use of them. See, in every act there is science. Science is a word derived from Greek, Latin words, scientia, both. In Greek also, Latin also, scientia only. Meaning is to know. Science is nothing but to know. So in everything, from morning till night, what are the works you are doing, what you are observing, what you are hearing, what you are seeing, everything is knowledge. So in everything there is a science, and try to understand science, how it works, why it works like that, why it is like this. So if you want to understand science, only one question you need to pose, that is why. I am using this microphone and you are getting huge voice, why? So when sun is some lakhs of millions of kilometers away, but still here we are getting light and heat, why? So when sunlight is falling on the floor and it is so hot, why? Why this leaves, plants, everything will be in green color? Everything is science. If you turn on fan, we will get cool air. Why? So everything. So learn from all the concepts what you are seeing every day, right? And very good effort from every student and every teacher. I congratulate for your effort. And next academic year onwards, those are sitting there, those have performed for these 3 episodes, everyone, you deserve a badge for science club and participation certificate also. So once again, all the best for science department students who have participated. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now I hand over my mic to Krishna Mohan.
It's my privilege to stand before you to propose oath of thanks for today's wonderful program. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Department of Science for their constant support and guidance. And a special thanks to all our teachers and staff who made this event possible and successful. And finally, thanks to everyone. Now, I request everyone to rise for National Anthem.
तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, जाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।